I said you were not my people, but you are. You're my people. I'm a bless you. You're gonna have oil. You're gonna have wine. You're gonna have grain. I'm gonna cause all that to happen for you. Good morning, Son of Truth. You are my people. God is just still showing us through Hosea all the love that He has for us. Even though we've turned our back, even though we played a harlotry, even though we've served and worshiped other things, other people, God is still giving us the opportunity to come back. He gets angry and He'll say that we're not His, but then He'll turn around, you are mine. You're going to suffer some consequences. Like, you're going to go to the wilderness. You're going to have a wilderness experience. But while you in your wilderness experience, like I did with Gomer, I'm going to comfort you in the wilderness. I'm right there with you in the wilderness. Yes, even though I put up these thorns around you, which really drove you to the wilderness because you didn't feel like you was able to accomplish what you used to accomplish. I just want some one-on-one time with you. I just want to give you a time to be restored back to me. And I don't care what God anybody believe in. All of us don't been through a wilderness. And if you're young, if you haven't been through a wilderness, you're going to go through a wilderness experience if God allow you to live longer enough. God loves us so much. With us, if somebody disrespect us, we ain't gonna chase them, but God chases us. He gives us an opportunity to come back to Him. That's when He kicking in that long suffering. He's still showing us grace and mercy, but He's kicking in that spirit of long suffering. I'm gonna be long. He was long suffering with Gomer. He was long suffering with her.